Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper on Friday, November the 24th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition, of Thursday, Thursday, November the 23rd. News of the day, well, it's today Black Friday, and stop consuming, people. Although it's Black Friday. Yeah. Alright, that's the news. Let me continue with this one. This one will be number 7502. 7502. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be this one. And hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. So I think it's a 1-star. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Or maybe it's a 2-star puzzle. For 2-star puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, is this a 1-star or 2-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, here, and there. Single box is always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. I see here a triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, cannot fill those numbers, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can't be a 4 anymore. We have a 4 in the same area, so it should be a 5 here. Okay, more triple boxes. Let me check. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3 and 4. Well, these 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Here another one. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. So this box is the same number as that box, okay? So it's a 3 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 that you need to recognize. And the following question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this cross area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. And this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this triple box should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes in this area should be for the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this triple box should be here. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 1. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. Oh wait, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box can be a 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box cannot be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. Oh wait, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. And I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. And 2 need a 1 here. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 5 here, so the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, will be also 2 and a 1. Well, we have a double 2 here, that means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box will be a 2 and this box will be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. Yeah, I need a 3 also. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 2 and the 4 we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Well, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this course area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, let me mark those. Alright. Then, let me see. 2 and a 1, we already have a 1 there, so this box can be a 1 anymore. This box will be 2, is connected with that box will be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow, told you. Should be faster than 50 minutes. It's definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Friday.